Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I'm in Canva and I did a video a couple of weeks back on how to create boxes for your planner in Canva. I'll show you from start to finish how to do that. I will link that video in the description box below, but I decided that I wanted to add lines to my boxes. So these are 3 different size boxes for the Happy Planner. This is a regular box, this is a double box, and this is the sidebar. Really quickly I can show you how I make the boxes. I'll try to be as quick as possible. So what you want to do, you want to come over here to Elements and then go to Shapes. You can hit See All in Shapes, and then I use a square. I'm just going to drag it over here. And first thing you want to do, you want to add a border style to the box. So you click on the border style. I do the solid one, and I do about 7 for my border. You can do your border as thick as you would like, and you see here you get that black border around your shape. And then if the box that you want is not that particular color, just come over here and hit color and find your white color. That's not white, that is white. There we go. And then you can size your box, or you can size your box before you do this or after, but you just click and drag to size your box to whatever size you want your box to be. Alright, so that's how you make the actual box. But again, I will link the video that I made in the description box below, where I go into a little bit more detail about how to make these boxes. Now I want to add lines to the boxes. So I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. I'm going to go back to Elements. And then I'm going to hit line. If line is not here, you can type it here in the search bar. But since it's here for me, I'm going to hit line. Just going to choose this solid line. And just going to click and drag it up. And you position it where you want it. I write small. Like I said, it just depends on where you want your line. Now, one thing about this line is too thick for me. So I'm going to make it a little bit thinner. I'm going to go here to Line Style. And I'm just going to take the line weight. You can either type it here, or you can just drag it there, right, to change your line weight. And you can kind of see here in the background a little bit that it made it a little smaller for me. So now I have a smaller line. All right, and I'm going to click my line and then drag it over and try not to make it crooked. Right. All right, that looks good. So like I said, you can move this line to wherever you want it, but once you get it in the position that you want it, then you're just going to copy it. And you want to line these up. And again, position that second one where you want it. And then you can hit the button again. The plus sign. Hit your plus sign. And you see as I'm hitting that plus sign, it's lining it up for me. Not that time because I messed up. I hit the wrong plus sign. But when you put that second line on, as long as you hit the right plus sign, it will line up everything for you. But like I said, I messed up somehow. I'll try to do it better in the next box. All right. And you put as many lines on here as you want. I think that's probably a little too many. All right. But you definitely want to try to space your lines out evenly so you can have as much room as you need to. So one thing you want to do, so I'm going to try to move this box to try to space out everything. There we go. That looks a little better. Instead of me trying to move all the lines, I'll just move the box. There we go. All right. So now, of course, you don't want this to move, right? Because if you try to do something now that it's going to move, the box will move and not everything will move with the box. All right. So what you want to do, you want to click and drag, select everything and hit group, right? Now everything is grouped together. Your lines and everything is grouped together in your box. Right? So let's see if I can do this one a little bit better. And now if you want more than one, of course, you click on it. And you can hit these three dots here. At least I think you can. Or maybe not. There we go. Click and drag and then hit the plus sign and you get another box. There we go. Alright. So now let's go down to this other box. Let's see if I can get those lines to line up a little bit better. So again, I'm going to click my line over here and bring it down. Of course, I want to make it smaller so it'll fit in the box. Try not to make it crooked, which I'm doing a bad job at. Alright. Now I don't want my line this thick, so I'm going to go up here to line style, take it all the way down to 1. There we go. And then click on my line, hit my plus sign, line those up. I was careful to make sure I hit the right plus sign. And now all my lines are evenly spaced. Alright, so click and drag again. And you want to group everything together so everything will move around together. Alright, and then for the last one, of course, you do the exact same thing. Try not to make your line crooked like me. Right. Change your line weight to 1. If I can bring this down. Duplicate it. Whoa. Make that a little bit bigger. If you can't get things to line up exactly how you want it, just make your screen a little bit bigger. And that may help. Alright. So let me see if I can fix these lines. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this box and just kind of move it out of the way. See if I can click and drag, select all of those lines, then hit the 3 dots. And let's do space evenly and then tidy up. And now they're evenly spaced. Alright. And then you just continue to put your lines together. Alright. Just keep going until you get all the way to the bottom. Until you get all the way to the bottom here. You click and drag and you group everything together. And now you have boxes for your planner that has lines on it. But again, like I said, I will link the video where I show you from start to finish how to make the actual boxes. And then you can come back to this video and watch how to put lines in your boxes. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.